and girls, today we are going to do addition, but we're going to do word problems with addition, which I know kind of freaks some of you guys out, like you don't like to do them, you think you're just going to do that on them. Don't think that, okay? You can do it, alright? Just read the problem correctly, pick out the important information, and then you can work it out, okay? We're going to start some problems together, and then I'll have you do it with someone, your partner, and then on your own, and then you'll have to do the homework, okay? Alright. So, here's the problem. Let's read it together. Kendra had 13 crayons. Her dad gave her some more crayons. Then she had 19 crayons. How many crayons did Kendra's dad give her? Okay, they gave us, let's just go ahead and work it out with the steps. Step 1. What do I need to find? We are trying to find what? What is the question ask?
How much did the dad give
How much what? How many crowns? Yes. So write that, which I know is already on there, but so you can go over it. How many crayons? And then it finished it. Kendra's dad gave her. That is what we were trying to find, is how many crayons Kendra's dad gave her, because it told us how many she had, and it told us how much she had at the end, but didn't tell us how many dad gave her. Just that dad gave her some. So we have to figure out what that sum is. What information do I need to use? She had blank crayons. She had how many crayons? Landon, thank you for raising your hand. How many? 13. After he gave her some more crayons, she had how many crayons? Jaren? 19. Okay, so let's show the problem here. In a bar model, this is called a bar model down here. They have 13 in the bar, and then nothing in the other bar, because that nothing represents how many Dad gave her, and we don't know, okay, how many Dad gave her. But then on the bottom, it's wrote 19, because 19 is the total that she had at the end. All right? So doing this, writing this problem, you could write 13 for how many she started with, plus, and then they have a square for you, so you don't have to make a square, equals 19. Okay, can you guys see? 13 plus what would be 19? If you need to look at your number lines, that's fine. Or you can just count in your head if you need to. Or think about, if you have 3, how many more do you need to get 9? Xander? 6. Okay? So 6 should go right here, because 13 plus 6 would be 19. And then 13 plus 6 in the box would be 19. Put 6 in the box too. And then how many crayons did Dad give her? 6. And then they wrote the label for you, 6 crayons. Okay? Make sure you have 6s in all those spots, because if you don't, then I can't give you a star. We do it later. Okay, next page. Try some more problems. The direction says, label the bar model. Write a number sentence with a box for the missing number, and then solve. Okay, and then you see this bubble right here? These are questions you need to use to help you figure out the answer, okay? So let's read the story problem. Are you ready? Yeah. Mr. Payne. Now listen, hold on for a minute. I'm sorry. Guys, if you can't read their names, make it up. Okay? If you don't know how to read their name, make it up. You can say Mr. K. Okay? Because really, does the name matter? No. You could say Bob, for all I care. Okay? Or you can put your name in there. Matthias had 24 pens. Okay? Because the name doesn't really matter. What matters is the numbers and then the rest of the words, okay? So if you can't read that, a name, don't worry about it, okay? Mr. Kane has 24 red pens. He buys 19 blue pens. How many pens does he have now? Okay, what information are we trying to find? What are we trying to find? Finley? No, what information are we trying to find? That's what I'm asking you. What are we trying to figure out? Isaac? How much what? We'll say how many, not how much. How many pens does he have in all, or all together? How many does he have? Now that he had some and then he bought some. So now how many does he have? What information we need to use? We need to use what information from that story, guys? Lena? What's important in there? In this story problem, what was important? Okay, but what? So, 24 red pins is important. What else is important? Lena, go ahead and tell me another one. 19 blue pins is important. Okay, now let's look. They want us to do a bar model. Okay? Where am I going to put this important 24 at? Chase?
In the bigger square.
And a bigger square box. Where am I going to put the important 19 at, Matthias? In the smaller box. The reason why one's bigger is because that number 24 is bigger than 19. Okay, now this time they didn't have a blank, did they? What they have a blank now is right here for the total. How can we find that total? What can we do to find 24 and 19? Grayson, what can we do?
Add and stack.
We can stack and add. Yes, stack and add. So, 24, let's see here, you can write it over here. 24 and 19. Oh, okay. And if you want to stack and add, that's fine because that's what it says, but they also want you to write a number sentence. So we need to write 24 plus 19 equals, and then put a box so that we know what it equals. Okay, once you wrote that number problem, the number sentence, go ahead and do your adding for your stack and adding. 9 plus 4. What's 9 plus 4, guys? Help me out. You sound like Ms. Ackerman doesn't know math. What's 9 plus 4, Xander? 13. So I put, where do I put my 3 at? I don't know. I know, where do I put my 3? Under the 9. Is that all I do? No. What do I do now, Casey? Put a 1 on top of the 2 for the 10. Now what do I do? Finley? Add the 10. What number's in the 10s? Is 9 in the 10s? Where's the 10? Chase? What numbers are 1, 2, and 1? What's 1 plus 2 plus 1? Grayson? 4. So, how many pins did Mr. Kane have? 43. 43. Now let's show where all you need to write these. You need to write 40. 43 here. 43 in our box. And then 43 by our answer. Okay. All right, now let's do the next problem. Hannah has 10 pencils. Jim and Hannah have 17 pencils altogether. How many pencils does Jim have? Okay, so I'm going to look up here again. What am I trying to find? What am I trying to find? Landon? But what's the question for my answer? What am I trying to find, Lena?
How many pencils they have all together?
No, I'm not trying to find how many pencils they have all together because it already told me how many they have all together. It told me they have 17 all together. So what am I trying to find out? Grayson?
We don't know how much Jim have.
How many pencils does Jim have? Okay. So what information am I going to use? What's the important information I need to use, Isaac? What's one thing?
10 pencils.
Yeah, we know Hannah has 10 pencils. So that's going to be one thing we need to use. And then what else do I need to use? Kinley?
Jim and Hannah have 17 pencils altogether.
There are 17 pencils altogether. That means the total. Okay, so if Hannah has 10 pencils, we're going to write 10 in the first box. Okay, because I know that's important. Then 17 altogether. Where is that 17 going to go? Is it going to go in this box or is it going to go down here? Ivan? On the bottom, because that's the total. This is like the one on the front. We're trying to find the missing number. So let's write our problem down here. 10 plus, we don't know, so a box equals 17. Okay, so now you can count on if that's what's going to help you, or just even think. 10 plus what is 17? You guys have been doing tens numbers. 10s plus what is 17, guys? 7. So 7 goes here, 7 goes here, and so how many pencils would Jim have?
7.
7 pencils. All right, so it looks like you have the whole next page with your partner, and then the on your back page is the on your own with yourself, and then it will be the homework by yourself. Okay? All right, so here's what I want you to do. The paper that you have right now, get your red pen out and put stars on the front and on the back of it, because, or you can put an X on it. Because you should have all the answers on there. You just make sure you have everything with your red pencil so that your parents know that it was stars or nest. That'll work. And then you can go put those in your mailbox and I'll get your partners ready for you.
I do that.